Alexander? Yep, into my office. We need to have a quick little chat about your work performance. Your performance has been absolutely atrocious lately. You sleep on the job most days. You show up late, like nearly 2 hours late some days. I've been getting several complaints from customers asking for refunds and things of that nature, and I just came to say that I don't think you're a reliable employee anymore, because when you are lollygagging and sleeping in class, sleeping on the job, using your phone when you should be working, showing up 2 or 3 hours late most days, sometimes even not showing up at all, you do realize that I lose money when you do this. So I decided that I don't actually need you anymore. So just came to say that. What? Fire you? Oh, no. No, I'm not gonna fire you, Alexander. I actually have something much better planned for very lazy and unproductive employees. Yep. I'm gonna shrink you down. There you are. Shrunk down. Turn you back? Oh no, I can't turn you back. I can't have you walking around, dragging your weight around, being lazy. You're gonna stay like that forever. So you might as well enjoy it. What should I do with a tiny Alexander? What should I do? Should I step on him? No. I don't want to ruin these beautiful white sneakers. Should I sit on him and pass gas? That doesn't sound good enough either. Oh, I know what to do with you. I know exactly what to do with you. You, my friend, are going to meet a very special friend that I usually don't show any of the employees to. It's my little kind of productivity desk pet, like how people have goldfish on their desks. Wait, do people have goldfish? Or they have pets on their desks? Something like that. Say hello to Big Bill right here. He's all relaxed, as you can see. Why am I showing you this? Well, if you were a smart employee, you would, I'm pretty sure you would know exactly why I'm showing you. You are seeing Big Bill from the outside. He looks pretty big, doesn't he? Because of how small you are. Because, you're only about an inch long, and you only weigh half of a gram, so from your POV, he's about, a good 30 feet long, and he weighs maybe a good, 40 tons, which in reality is actually 200 grams, or 400 grams. I don't know how much he weighs, but compared to you, he's gigantic. And he's a bullfrog, so he eats absolutely anything small enough to fit into his mouth. So, what I do with all my unruly or lazy employees, you are going to have to go in with Big Bill to learn your lesson. Sorry, but can't be losing money because you want to sleep on the job. So in you go. Nope, don't try to escape. I love when employees do this. Well, I guess he swallowed you. It looks like I don't see you. And this means that... this can only mean that you must be trapped within his tummy. There's no escape for you, Alex. You're gonna stay in there. You can squirm all you want. but the reality of the situation is that you are not going nowhere. So you might as well stop all the squirming. You might as well just get comfortable, get yourself relaxed. I did shrink a phone. I did shrink your phone, so you might as well find a good movie to watch and, you know, accept your fate, because this is where it all ends. I don't fire employees in the traditional sense, because I realize that firing employees doesn't really get them motivated to actually get work done. So you actually have to work for your life if you work here. You can't just quit either. Quitting is not an option. If you quit, or if you get fired, you end up in this beast right here. And he will digest you. It'll take a while. He did eat some mice, so I am surprised that he's still hungry, but he will get to digesting with the warm temperatures of his tank, which is about 85 degrees. So this will actually help him digesting fairly quickly. Now, don't get your hopes up. It doesn't mean that you're not going to feel the pain of being dissolved in his stomach acids, or the terror of suffocating, or anything like that. It just means that you will be no more but frog crap in the next few days or so. So if you're in there watching a movie or trying to get comfortable, then enjoy it. And he's not fully grown yet. He's only 9 months old, so he has quite a lot of growing to do, and the nutrients from your body actually helps him do that. So this is not all bad. Look at it that way. He gets nutrients, and I get rid of an employee that isn't reliable. And to any other employees watching this should keep you on your toes to keep working hard, stay awake on the job, show up on time, even if you're not perfectly on time. As long as you show up at a reasonable amount of time, then I don't mind. Just don't show up 2 hours late, or 4 hours late in some cases, like Mr. Alex here. You don't want to end up like him. Do you? Do you? That's what I thought. That's exactly what I thought. And this has been your employer, and thanks for feeding my frog, my big Bill. Goodbye. Enjoy your vacation.